Have you guys heard of this lawsuit? The activist who recently took affirmative action to the Supreme Court is also filing a lawsuit against these black women. Let's get into this. Fearless Fund, an Atlanta-based venture capital firm that invests in women of color, has been sued for alleged racial discrimination by a group affiliated with the conservative activists at the center of litigation that led in June to the U.S. Supreme Court striking down affirmative action. In the lawsuit filed on Wednesday, Atlanta Federal Court, the American Alliance for Equal Rights alleges that a program awarding $20,000 small business grants to black women violates the Civil Rights Act of 1866. The complaint has said the conservative group has members who are being excluded from the program because they are the wrong race. AAER bills itself as a nonprofit membership-based organization challenging distinctions and preferences based on race and ethnicity. The Fearless Fund was founded in 2019 by three black women, entrepreneur Ariane Simone, organizational consultant Ayanna Parsons, and actress Keisha Knight-Pulliam. Fearless Fund did not immediately respond to requests for comment on the lawsuit. But in an afternoon post on Instagram, Fearless Fund said, "We are fearless. We are black women. We are descendants of slaves. We represent women of color. We are in a position to provide economic opportunity and freedom to women of color and will continue to do that work." Venture capital funding for black-owned startups is a fraction of what is invested in tech firms started by white founders. The disparity is especially true for businesses founded by black women. Between 2009 and 2017, only 0.0006% of venture capital funding went to businesses started by black women. So, Fearless Fund aims to bridge that gap. In 2021, record levels of funding for Latina and black women improved things slightly. Their combined share of venture capital rose above 1% for the first time, according to the 2022 project. Fearless Fund has raised more than $25 million and invested in more than 40 companies in the past 4 years. This is what black women can do when we organize. That is a small drop in the bucket, though. VC funding nationally, which totaled $70 billion in 2023, and this is 2023, not including certain corporate investments, according to Crunchbase, less than 1% of that sum has gone to black-funded companies. That's why it's just so funny, and by that I mean it's not funny, that they are targeting when women go after or support other black women. You guys jump in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, share.